Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today we are going to be talking coffee. So I was able to try out this coffee for probably a little bit, like maybe almost 3 weeks now, and I do love it. It's a protein coffee. This is Javvy protein coffee in the scent French vanilla, and it's an instant coffee. I really do like it. It has 70 calories per serving, and it also has 10 grams of protein. So there are times when I do add my collagen, which is it has 20 grams of protein in that. So it kind of makes it like a coffee protein drink in a way. I like to add mine with a little bit of coffee cream. And for milk, I use oat milk. And that's what I use to make my coffee. I did not add any collagen to this. I just added the Javvy. But what I did add was espresso because I am a coffee person. So when I do drink coffee, I do like to have it like kind of strong in a way, if that makes sense. So I have found that I often do like to drink it with espresso. Now, I believe you can make this hot if you want. I have found that I like drinking this Javvy coffee. I like drinking it iced or cold because the protein kind of like, I don't know if it's the protein, but like it kind of like breaks down more when it's in a hot coffee. So when it's cold, it's more like iced coffee, like a real coffee drink. I don't know if that's making sense, but I did enjoy it cold better or iced better. So yeah, I have been enjoying that. I did, like I said, I put espresso, I added a little bit of coffee cream, and you don't need to add sugar if you don't want to, but I like to add a little bit of equal to mine's. I just really get into like making my coffee, and with seeing that this is a protein coffee, it has the 10 grams of protein. If you kind of are like trying to lose weight, or you're just trying to watch your calories, you're in a caloric deficit, this is something good that you can add to your everyday diet plan, because you can you'll get more protein in this drink. So you can kind of like, you don't have to have as many calories because you're getting protein from your coffee. So that is another thing that I did like. Okay guys, so here I am making my coffee, and I'm gonna go ahead and start out by scooping out a little bit of that instant espresso coffee into a separate cup. So also, I forgot to mention that I like to put in some cacao powder because it gives it like a chocolate flavor, and I did add a little bit of equal. So right now I'm just going to blend or froth my espresso. So next I'm gonna mix together the oat milk, the Javvy protein coffee powder, the equal, and some of that cacao powder, which basically is like mocha in my opinion, because it gives it like a chocolate flavor. You want to make sure that this is mixed really well. You don't want any clumps, so just like take your time and get everything mixed really, really well. So after mixing all of those ingredients really well, I did go ahead and add ice, and I added some coffee cream, which is totally optional, and I love the way it tastes. So this coffee is naturally derived. It has 0 sugar, and it has prebiotics in it. So not only are you getting protein, you're getting something that's very good for the body as well. So yeah, if you are worried about your sugar, if you're worried about, like I said, if you're in a caloric deficit and you are trying to lose weight, or if you just want to eat and drink or put things into your body that are cleaner, this is definitely a good product for you to try. Now, I will have the link to this in my description, and also I want to say there's a coupon code. If there's not, don't be mad at me, I'm sorry. I will also put the coupon code in the description as well. Like I said, I've noticed drinking it, because it is a coffee, you do get that caffeine boost, but also because it has the protein, you do get more energy from that as well. So I actually really do enjoy drinking that coffee every morning, and I'm probably gonna end up getting another one because I'm curious to try out the other flavors. I believe it's mocha and caramel flavor as well. So you have a variety of different coffees to try. So like I said, if you guys are interested in this product, it will be linked below. And until next time, I will see you later, and I am gonna go enjoy my coffee. So cheers.
I knew I was different, I knew I was chosen, a breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken, authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that.